Question 10. Question from triangles. Similarity of triangles is the concept tested in this question. ABCD is a trapezium with sides AD and BC being parallel to each other. Okay, so let's first draw this trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral where two sides are parallel. They're saying that AD and BC are parallel to each other. Okay, so A, B, C, D. We have to write it in an order. AD is parallel to BC. Trapezium done. AD parallel to BC done. AD is equal to 4 centimeters is the information mentioned. Diagonals AC and BD intersect each other. Diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O, okay, such that they given the ratio AO by OC equals DO by OB is equal to 1 by 2. What we need to find out is this measure of BC. Now look at it. AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. DB is a transversal that cuts through two parallel lines. So interior alternate angles, alternate angles, these two angles will be the same. Let's just give it some value. Let's call this as alpha and alpha. Similarly, AD and BC are parallel. AC is a transversal that cuts through it, which means that alternate interior angles are going to be equal. So these two angles will be the same. So this, let's call it as theta and this as theta. Intersecting lines, AC and BD are intersecting lines. Vertically opposite angles will be equal. So these two angles will be equal. We'll call this angle as O and O. Now, theta O alpha, theta O alpha. Three angles of both these triangles are equal, which essentially means that these two triangles are similar triangles. Which two triangles? Theta O alpha, we'll write it in that order. AOD is similar to theta O alpha, which is COB. These two triangles are similar triangles. Corresponding sides will be equal. AO by OC is equal to OD by OB will be equal to AD by BC. What do we have to find out? We need to find out BC. Do we have some information about something else? AO by OC is equal to OD by OB. DO by OB is the same as OD by OB. This is equal to a 1 by 2 is what we have from the question. This is also equal to AD by BC. The measure of AD is known. So 4 by BC is equal to a 1 by 2. Cross multiplying, we get BC is equal to 8 centimeters is the unit that's given to us because AD is equal to 4. Measure of BC is equal to 8 centimeters. Choice C is the correct answer to this question.
Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. So get it done today. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. And also spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.